Hi, my name is Jesse Rivera, and I'm going to answer some questions about my life. During the pandemic, I worked at home. I followed the biosafety protocols. I wore my mask when I went out to buy my food. I also took the opportunity to spend time with my family. I watched videos and films together. We watched food and dessert tutorials and we learned how cooking. My childhood was nice. I grew up in far secured my family, many animals, natural, and many friends. I was very quiet and familiar environment. At that times there was not much technology, so all could spend time my family. I was childhood full of learn because I learned to ride a horse, ride bicycle, and milk. I think my childhood was perfect. On my last vacation, I traveled with my family to Monterrey Casanare. We stayed at hotel location and the recreation park. The park was big and pretty. I had many slides, ecology routes, and pools. I really liked travel with my family. I had fun with them and like marking plants with them. I love my family. The aspect and life that had made my grown as person were the years experience that acquired over time. My children had also encouraged me to be better person, to be example for them as father, friends, and human being. My children are the most important for me. The people around me also make me grow and personal and work aspect because and learn a lot from them. God has also been a very important aspect of this layer and personal ground. The stranger food I had ate I was octopus. I was with my wife in the restaurant in Bogota. I was big and luxurious. At first we did not know what order menu was extensive. We decided to choose a different meal and was the octopus. The text was stranger, but I liked. This texture was very strange. My wife died not like octopus. After dying, we drank some wine and looked a lot and face we made. I was naive and fun experience. Thank you very much.